friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen ravioli in an Instant Pot. So all we need is a bag of frozen ravioli, no need to defrost, cooking it straight from frozen. And we need a cup of water for pressure cooking. So let's open a package of frozen ravioli. And now I'll open the Instant Pot. And I'm going to add a cup of water in the Instant Pot. And just dump a bag of frozen ravioli in the pot. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 2 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here's perfectly cooked ravioli. Now I'm going to strain this ravioli in a colander in the sink. So let me just wear the oven mitts because the Instant Pot liner is hot. So just pour out the water. So once I strain the water, I'm going to return the ravioli to the pot and add sauce. So since the pot is hot, it's going to heat up the sauce. So just add as much sauce as you like. So just any kind of pasta sauce. And mix so the ravioli is coated with sauce. And if you'd like, you can leave it like this for a few minutes, just so the sauce is evenly heated through, because the sauce is heated from the pot and from the hot ravioli itself. So now it's all done, and look how good it looks. It looks so delicious. Super easy to cook frozen ravioli in an Instant Pot. Now I'm going to transfer it to a plate. Looks so good. This is a great way to get dinner on the table. This is enough to feed the whole family. Now I'm so excited about trying this ravioli. See, it's soft, perfectly cooked. Tastes amazing. You're going to love cooking frozen ravioli in an Instant Pot. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!